Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel again. I'm Christopher Corinthian and welcome to the tutorial. Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make a beat fast. Okay, so let's just say we want to make a trap beat. So we just keep it at 140 BPM right here. Now let's go to the sample pack. Just press on this icon. Okay, this browser or plugin picker right here. So we have sample packs. I have cymatics. I have a lot of cymatics. So let's just say just pick anything. Okay, okay, hip hop sample. Okay, this Cobra hip hop sample pack. So we just take melody. We need 140. Okay. Let's just say we take this one, okay? Okay, now we get these drum loops. Okay, go to full drum loops, look for the 140. Okay, this one. Now just assign every audio to one mixer track. Okay, for example, number 1 right here, this one number 2. Okay, so go to your mixer right here, just highlight them both and just drag them down. Okay, this is good. So this is C sharp minor. Okay, so we have to find the bass. Let's try to put some AO8. Go to AO8 right here. Okay, C sharp. Let's try this. Okay, let's just assign this to number 3. Okay, nice. So we have this one. So basically you can see the track is almost done in just a few minutes. Okay, so we have the melody right here and the bass drums, and now we are going to find the bass. Okay, so this is one of the quickest ways that you can do to make a beat. Okay, especially trap beat nowadays, you can just find the samples and including the drums as well. It's in the sample pack. Okay, let's just put this to another one. Okay, let me try this. Just pick this, replace this with FL keys. Okay. So just pitch it down 100 cents. Oh, no. Reset. I should make this unique first. Make unique as sample means you are going to make this sample as a new one, another one. Okay, so whatever you do on this, it will not affect the previous one. F sharp. So you are at C sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Just add this one to 5. 500 cents from the original number. Let's try. Okay, it sounds better. Let's try to copy all this stuff. Let's try another key. Let's save this project first. To fast way to make a beat. Okay. Try A. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try to make this. This thing is gonna be another unique sample. So again, 1 2 3. So 500 to 800. Okay. Let's try this. Okay. This is good. Okay, so as you guys can see, I just use this melody sample and this drum sample and also this 808 sample. But for this 808 sample, you have to really control the note of every bass. Okay, sometimes it's the same key, sometimes you have to pitch up a little bit or pitch down a little bit, so it depends what you want. And make sure to comment down below what you want to see next, and also make sure to share it to your friends, your pets, your dogs, your ducks, your giraffe, and subscribe and let me know what you want to see next in the comment section. Okay, I'll do a tutorial for you if you have any question about anything. I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, peace out.